Getting started with baking keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. Keto diets are hot right now, but that doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to your favorite baked goods. You may think keto baking is impossible, but it isn't. With some basic ingredients and a few simple steps, you can make all kinds of delicious keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. In this blog post, we will provide the basics on getting started with baking keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. We will explore different types of keto-friendly flours and sweeteners, as well as tips for making sure your baked goods come out perfectly every time. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. What is the keto diet? If you're new to the keto diet, it's a low-carb, high-fat way of eating that has a lot of benefits. Keto can help with weight loss, improving mental clarity and focus, and reducing inflammation. When you're on a keto diet, you need to be careful about the types of food that you eat. You want to focus on eating healthy fats, proteins, and vegetables. One way to do this is by baking keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. There are a few things to keep in mind when you're baking keto-friendly baked goods. First, you want to use almond flour or coconut flour instead of wheat flour. Second, you want to use sugar-free sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol instead of sugar. As a third, you need to use healthy oils like coconut oil or avocado oil or olive oil instead of vegetable oil. By following these tips, you can bake delicious and healthy, keto-friendly baked goods that will help you stick to your diet and reach your goals. Advantages and disadvantages of the keto diet. The keto diet has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. This low-carb, high-fat diet can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. But like any diet, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest advantages of the keto diet is that it can help you lose weight quickly. In fact, many people report losing 10 pounds or more in the first few weeks of following this diet. One reason for this is that when you cut out carbs, your body is forced to burn fat for energy. This process, known as ketosis, can lead to rapid weight loss. Another advantage of the keto diet is that it can improve your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that this diet can lower LDL, so-called bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. This can help reduce your risk of developing heart disease or even having a heart attack. However, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider before starting the keto diet. One of these is that it can be difficult to stick to long term. This is because the keto diet requires you to drastically reduce your carb intake, which may not be sustainable for some people. Additionally, the keto diet can cause some unpleasant side effects in the beginning, such as headaches, fatigue, and constipation. These side effects usually go away after a few weeks as your body adjusts to the new way of eating. How to get started with baking keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. If you're new to the keto diet, you may be wondering how you can still enjoy your favorite baked goods without all the sugar and carbs. The good news is there are plenty of keto-friendly recipes for delicious bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. To get started, all you need are a few basic keto-friendly ingredients like almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, and low-carb sweeteners. With these staples on hand, you can make all sorts of tasty keto-friendly baked goods. How to make keto-friendly baked goods taste good. Another tip for making keto-friendly baked goods taste good is to focus on the flavorings. This means using strong flavors like vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or cinnamon. By using these flavors, you can help to mask the slightly different taste of the low-carb ingredients. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. There are a lot of keto-friendly recipes out there, so feel free to try different things until you find something that you love. Who knows, you may even come up with a new favorite recipe. The best recipes for keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. Here are some delicious recipes for keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads. Keto bagels. These bagels are made with almond flour and gluten-free baking powder and are flavored with salt, onion, and garlic powder. 2. Keto chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are made with almond flour, cocoa powder, butter, erythritol, or one of the other non-sugar sweeteners, and dark chocolate chips. 3. Keto-friendly cinnamon rolls. These cinnamon rolls are made with coconut flour, butter, erythritol, and cinnamon. Keto banana bread. This banana bread is made with almond flour, ripe bananas, eggs, butter, and erythritol. Keto blueberry muffins. These muffins are made with almond flour, fresh blueberries, eggs, butter, and erythritol. Also note that there are no preservatives or other chemical additives when you are cooking these items on your own, and that itself will help you greatly with your health and well-being. Conclusion: baking keto-friendly bagels, cakes, cookies, and breads is a great way to enjoy your favorite treats without all the carbs. With a little practice, you can master the art of baking these delicious desserts and snacks. For those just starting out or wanting some new ideas for the next culinary adventure, there are plenty of recipes that can help you get started. You may be surprised by how easy it is to create mouth-watering keto treats at home. So grab an apron, preheat that oven, and start your baking journey today.